Hello everyone, a day in my life. Okay guys, really in the morning I have fed my very hungry cat because cat also want to fast. Okay guys, let's skip it. Continue in the morning. After that, I put on my shoes. I'm ready to school. In the morning, we are greeted with a very beautiful view of the sun. Arrived at school at 6:30 a.m. This is an atmosphere in my class 7 a.m. Still quiet. My class also has a good view. There is a view of rice, flat and mountains. I'm studying because after this I have an Indonesian test. This is the second hard lesson, IPAS, which was coached by Mr. Agus. At 10 a.m. I take a break. After this, the English lesson was replaced by going to the workshop. He will learn about electronic device. Here is a mechatronics senior drawing a circuit on laptop. Here there are also many small panels that are used for practice. This is a large panel that can fit more components. This is a new robotic tool that just been sent here for easy performance in practice. I haven't mastered this tool because I'm still ungraded and haven't been taught how to work them. These are robots that have won electronic robotic competition. The shape is unique. Yes, there is a shape of the spider and there is a shape of tanker. After that, I sat behind the fleet waiting for the midday call to prayer. The front hall is empty and we play on the streets while waiting for the clock to go home. At 2 p.m. we finally go home. Thanks for watching guys and see you soon. Bye bye.